Today, we'll explore the specification and compare the features of Number 1 Xiaomi Pad 7. Number 2 Redmi Pad Pro 5G. Number 3 Poco Pad 5G. Number 4 Honor Pad 9. Number 5 Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. To highlight their differences and help you decide which model best fits your needs. At number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Build quality and design. Metal back with plastic edges, durable and lightweight at 480 gram. 11-inch display with slim bezels, compact design. No Gorilla Glass, but sturdy enough for daily use. Available in colors like graphite and silver. Pros and cons. Pros. Lightweight and easy to hold. Reliable Samsung build with good software support. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos for decent sound. Cons. Basic design, not as premium as higher-end tabs. No stylus support out of the box. Display is only 90 Hz, less smooth than competitors. Target audience. Families, students, and casual users who trust Samsung's brand for a reliable, budget-friendly tablet for everyday tasks. Price 32,999 Indian rupees. At number 4. Honor Pad 9. Build quality and design. Aluminum body, slim and lightweight at 555 gram. 12.1-inch display with thin bezels, modern look. No specific glass protection mentioned. Elegant design with a focus on portability. Pros and cons. Pros. Large, bright 120 Hz display, great for movie. Lightweight and easy to carry. Decent build quality for the price. Cons. No 5G Wi-Fi only in most variants. Limited accessory ecosystem, no official keyboard. Average speaker quality compared to competitors. Target audience. Media enthusiasts and casual users who want a big, affordable tablet for watching content and browsing. Price 20,999 Indian rupees. At number 3. Poco Pad 5G. Build quality and design. Aluminum frame with flat sides, sleek and stylish. 12.1-inch display, weighs 571 gram, feels premium but heavy. Gorilla Glass 3 for screen durability. Simple, understated design with rounded corners. Pros and cons. Pros. Affordable price with 5G support. Large 120 Hz display, good for media and multitasking. Long-lasting 10,000 mAh battery. Cons. No official IP rating for dust water resistance. Performance lags in heavy gaming. Slightly heavy for prolonged handheld use. Young users and budget buyers who want a big screen tablet for streaming, social media, and casual use with 5G. Price 25,999 Indian rupees. At number 2. Redmi Pad Pro 5G. Build quality and design. Aluminum frame, slim bezels, modern and durable. 12.1-inch display, weighs around 571 g, slightly heavier. No Gorilla Glass mentioned, but solid build. Comes in colors like graphite gray and mint green. Pros and cons. Pros. Large, vibrant 12.1-inch 120 Hz display, great for videos. 5G support for on-the-go connectivity. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. Cons. No magnetic stylus attachment, uses a loop instead. Slightly bulky compared to slimmer options. Keyboard lacks pogo pins, uses Bluetooth. Target audience. Budget-conscious users who need a large screen for entertainment, casual gaming, and light productivity with 5G connectivity. Price 23,999 Indian rupees. At number 1. Xiaomi Pad 7. Build quality and design. Aluminum unibody with flat edges, premium and sturdy feel. 6.18mm thick, weighs around 500 g, slim and lightweight. Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the display. Available in stylish colors like Mirage Purple. Pros and cons. Pros. Sleek, premium design at an affordable price. High quality 11.2-inch 3.2K display with 144 Hz refresh rate. Lightweight and portable for daily use. Cons. No fingerprint sensor, only face unlock. No cellular option, Wi-Fi only. Camera bump is large but houses just one lens. Target audience. Students, professionals, and creatives looking for a premium yet budget-friendly tablet for studying, work, or media consumption. Price 27,999 Indian rupees. Final notes. Best build quality. Xiaomi Pad 7 stands out with its premium aluminum build and Gorilla Glass 3 at a low price. Most affordable 5G. Poco Pad 5G and Redmi Pad Pro 5G cater to budget users needing connectivity. Lightest option. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is the lightest, ideal for portability. Target audience. These tablets appeal to students, young professionals, and budget-conscious families, with Xiaomi and Samsung leading in brand trust, while Poco and Redmi target cost-savvy tech enthusiasts. Honor fits casual users who prioritize screen size over extras. Thanks for watching. Don't forget. Like, share, subscribe.